Tinker Bell hovered above the sparkling lagoon, her wings shimmering in the dappled sunlight. It had been a quiet day in Pixie Hollow, until an unusual breeze rustled through the ferns, carrying with it the distant call of gulls and the salty scent of the open sea. Curiosity twinkled in her eyes as she followed the wind. Far across the ocean, Moana guided her outrigger through crystal blue waters, heart attuned to the whispers of her ancestors. The sea spoke in gentle hums and the wind braided through her hair. Suddenly the breeze shifted, spiraling in playful circles. Moana sensed something extraordinary. The elements themselves were weaving a message. On a hidden cove where the tides kissed the shore, the wind and wave entwined, and time seemed to pause. In a flash of pixie dust, Tinker Bell appeared, landing softly on a shell beside the water. She gazed up to see Moana beaching her canoe, the two explorers meeting for the first time. Moana regarded the tiny, glowing fairy with awe. "You can command the wind, can't you?" she asked. Tinker Bell tilted her head and twirled midair, a gust rustling the palms behind them. "And you?" Tinker Bell gestured to the tide with a sprinkle of dust. The water shimmered, responding to Moana's touch as she smiled knowingly. A sudden commotion erupted. A fleet of stormy clouds was gathering, churning the ocean into froth. Thunder growled ominously, and lightning streaked the horizon. Both realized that this was no natural storm. Moana's gaze turned serious. "Something is unbalancing our world. The wind stirs without warning, and waves rise without cause. The ancient pact between wind and wave is threatened." Tinker Bell buzzed in agreement. With gestures and twinkles, she suggested a plan. By combining the magic of Pixie Hollow with the heart of the ocean, they might restore the balance.